Put a finger down, stupid edition. If you put more than 5 fingers down, you are extremely dumber. Put a finger down if you've ever tried to microwave something without putting it in the microwave. Put a finger down if you've ever searched for your lost phone while talking on it. Put a finger down if you've ever waved at someone only to realize they were waving at someone behind you. Put a finger down if you've not subscribed or liked the video yet. Put a finger down if you've ever walked into a room and forgot why you went in there. Put a finger down if you've ever tried to take a selfie with the front camera covered. Put a finger down if you've ever tried to zoom in on a physical map with your fingers. Put a finger down if you think you are dumber than the person that appears when you click share and then WhatsApp. Put a finger down if you've ever mistaken someone else's drink for yours at a party. Now comment how many fingers you got down and like and follow for more.